Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approach to number 1, we put number 1 cone here and number 1 cone here. Cosine 3b equals to negative number 1. This one is about positive number 1. So negative number 1 plus 1 we have number 0. This one we have number 0. So we have 0 over 0. And that is about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative, this one in here, that should be about 3b over s squared multiplied by sine of 3b over s. After we do first derivative, this one we have b over 2 and we have cosine bs over 2. So I will put s squared gone here. Now we simplify b and b. Next, when s approach to number 1. So when s approach to number 1, we put number 1 cone here, here and here. We still have about 0 over 0. And we need to use about L hospital. That means we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have about negative 3b over s squared. And we have cosine of 3b over s. This one we need to do first derivative of s squared. Later that we multiply by cosine of bs over number 2. And we have first derivative of cosine bs over 2 multiplied by s squared. So in this situation, we have s squared, 2s squared, 2s. This one, that is about negative b over 2. However, we have cosine s, we have cosine s, so we do first derivative of cosine s. We have negative sine. That's why we have the negative for b over 2 in here. Now we can put number 1 cone here, here, here and here. And now we have like this. So we have 36. This is the end. Thank you for watching.